Hello traders, it is Wednesday, September 7th. We are about 3 hours into trading. I want to show you the anatomy of an excellent trade. Hopefully this video will be about 5 minutes long, but it will end with a specific trade recommendation and some entry and exit parameters. So everything starts with the market. Everything starts with the market. So first what I'd like to do is I'm going to bring up a chart of the SPY. Here you can see that we are in this tight trading range. So the market is going nowhere. We have nothing to lean on. We're going to drill down to a 15-minute chart to see if there's any visible lines of support. We might have found support right here, didn't hold. We might have support down here at the 217.75 level. This is based on the SPY. So we could see the market drift lower. This is a one headwind that we have working against us. In this very tight market, you can see how once a move exhausts itself and it stalls, prices tend to go the other way. Pull back, stall, we go the other way. So we're waiting for the market to stall out here and go the other way. In the meantime, we're just in a waiting pattern, but we have a stock that we want to keep an eye on, and it's UNP, Union Pacific. So I'm going to go out to a daily chart and show you why we like it. I'll put up a 100-day and 200-day moving average, even a 50-day. There's nothing to stand in our way. All of these moving averages are below the current stock price, so if anything, they would lend support to the move. We have a very tight compression in here. We love compressions. This is like a coiled spring that's ready to release. We can see that early in the day, the stock wanted to move higher, but it has pulled back because the market's down right now. The SPY is down almost 6 points. So it's been drifting lower. As soon as the market comes back, this stock is going to revisit those highs and it could have a nice sustained move for at least a day or two. So this does set up nicely for a swing trade. So let's go down. We know we like it on a swing basis. The stock has been able to hold that breakout so far today, even with the market down. So that $96 level, we'd like to see that level hold. So let's go into a 5-minute chart and see what this shows us. This is also what we're looking for. You see the big run up. Somebody wanted to buy UNP today. Now we're compressing. Again, we love compressions. Here's what makes this move so special. I'm going to add the SPY to the chart so that you can see a critical component that goes into our day trades. And it's called relative strength. That's what I want, why I want to add the SPY. The gray line here is the SPY. You can see how it's been in a steady downtrend. In fact, you can see recently here, it's dipped to a new low for the day. What has the stock done? It has compressed. It is not moving down with the market. As soon as the market's ready to rebound, guess what this stock's going to do? It wants to move higher. And as soon as we get a breakout through this level right here, that's our compression. We take this little horizontal support and resistance. As soon as it gets through that 96.38 level, it's going to run. We know this stock wants to go. So we can bring up our options to take a look at what the options pricing is. And I'll already tell you, I'm in on the September 95 calls, and I'll bring those over here. And you can see the September 95 calls. I bought these at $1.95. They are still at $1.95, so you can take this trade. I'm going to stay in that trade as long as the stock holds that $96 breakout that I referenced, and as long as the SPY stays above 217.50. That is a major support level for the SPY. I'm also looking for a little bit of support here. I want to see the market start to reverse this downtrend and stall out. Again, in this flat, quiet market, once the momentum stalls, we have the likelihood of reversing and heading the other way. If we do that, UNP is going to take off and we'll have a nice trade. So these options are about $1.40 in the money. They've got a week and a half left till expiration. So they're trading pretty near parity. They'll have good delta. They've got a 3 to 4 cent bid ask spread, which is nice. The liquidity is good. And you can see on my option liquidity gauge, this is a very good option liquidity. So when we're surfing for stocks, we use that gauge to tell us if there's a potential option play as well. That's the anatomy of a trade. And you can see how the market moved up a little bit. This stock is ready to break through this resistance level. So I want to get this video posted so that hopefully you can take advantage of the trade as well. Thank you. I hope to have you on board.